I'm going to be showing you how to install plugins through SteamOS using the plugin loader. I've added a GitHub link in the description that will have all the information with this plugin loader and the installation commands and files. So right now, the first thing we need to do in SteamOS is we need to head over to the settings. We go down here to settings and then to system. And then we're going to go to enable developer mode. Make sure that is on. And then we're going to go to all the way down here on the left side to developer. We want to make sure that we have CEF remote debugging enabled. Now once that happens, we're going to have to restart our system and then we're going to switch to desktop mode. So now after I've restarted the system, I'm going to go ahead and switch to desktop mode and show you the rest of the installation process. Okay, now that we're in the desktop mode, we're going to go to Chrome here and we're going to type in the GitHub link that I have in the description. It's going to have the installation page where you'll see for users, and here's the command to install the plugin. You're going to copy that like I have, and we're going to go to the console now. To head to the console, we're going to need to go to the application launcher in the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to open that up, go to System, you're going to see console right here. Okay, and once we open that up, you will likely need to set a password for the terminal. So the command to set a password is passwd, and this will allow you to actually put in commands and launch applications in the terminal. Once that's done, we're now going to put in our GitHub link, which we're going to paste it right here, and there it is right there. And once you do that, you would just open up your keyboard and click enter, and that's going to launch it. Now I've already done that, so I'm not going to do that here, but it'll do it automatically, and that's all you really have to do, and it'll now load up in Steam. So now we're going to head back to Steam and we're going to make sure everything's working. Now that we're back in Steam, we're going to open up our menu and we're going to see the plugin loader has now appeared. Now make sure you restart the system first before you switch, and then just to make sure that everything loads up properly when you enter SteamOS. But now that you see, I've already added some plugins, but every plugin that you add will show up here. And then to add more plugins, you can also go to the store, which you have to use at the touchscreen to be able to use this menu. But here's the actual store that you can install different plugins. I can see this one here controls fan control, and you would just click install and that would be added to that list like I just showed you. And then you can see there's a lot more, and they're continually adding more plugins. And like you can change the themes, you can change fan control, you can do all kinds of different things. Like for instance, I'm gonna go back. A really good one is PowerTools. This one allows you to control the CPU and the number of cores that are being used, and the frequency, the boost, and you can even control the fan RPM with this one as well. So you got a bunch of different options that you can add. And also another one is the quick launcher. That one allows you to just launch apps from the desktop without having to add each individual one to Steam. So that one's pretty useful. When you use that, it'll pop up all the applications that it finds in the desktop. And then CSS loader, that's a great one for adding themes. I don't have any in there right now, but you can change the whole theme of the SteamOS. And that is pretty much it. It's really simple, a really easy thing to help with like emulation and things like that. But if you have any more questions, leave a comment, and if this was helpful, like and subscribe.